Welcome back to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest updates on smartphones and cutting-edge technology. Today, we are diving into Vivo's newest mid-range beast, the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus. Vivo has been making serious strides in the budget and mid-range smartphone market, and the Y300 Pro Plus is shaping up to be one of the most feature-packed devices in its segment. With a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display, a powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, a massive 7,320 mAh battery, and a 50MP camera system, this device is built for performance, battery life, and entertainment. But does it truly stand out in the crowded mid-range category? Let's find out. Vivo has always paid attention to design, and the Y300 Pro Plus is no exception. Despite being a mid-range device, it boasts a sleek and stylish body, giving it a premium feel in hand. The back panel has a glossy finish, available in elegant shades like midnight black, crystal blue, and sunset gold. At just 8.2 mm thick, the phone maintains a slim profile while packing a massive 7,320 mAh battery, which is an impressive feat. The curved edges and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold, even for extended use. One of the standout features of the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus is its gorgeous 6.8-inch AMOLED display. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, this screen ensures buttery smooth animations and scrolling, making the overall user experience incredibly fluid. Thanks to AMOLED technology, you get deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast, making it perfect for watching movies, gaming, and social media browsing. HDR support enhances video playback quality, and with a peak brightness of 1300 nits, the display remains easily visible even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, a powerful and efficient processor that offers a great balance between performance and battery life. Built on a 4nm architecture, this chipset ensures smooth multitasking, seamless app switching, and efficient power consumption. While it's not a flagship processor, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 handles daily tasks, casual gaming, and even some high-end games with ease. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, you get ample space for all your apps, games, and media. For gamers, Vivo's Game Boost mode optimizes performance, reducing frame drops and enhancing overall gaming stability. Whether you're playing PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, or Genshin Impact, the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus delivers a smooth experience with minimal lag. Vivo has equipped the Y300 Pro Plus with a versatile camera system, designed to capture high-quality images in all lighting conditions. The 50MP main sensor ensures crisp and detailed shots, thanks to advanced AI processing and Vivo's image optimization algorithms. On the front, you get a 32MP selfie camera, which is perfect for sharp, detailed selfies and high-quality video calls. Features like AI beauty mode, portrait enhancements, and night mode ensure that your selfies always look stunning. Super Night Mode enhances low-light shots for brighter, clearer images. AI Scene Recognition optimizes settings based on different environments for the best results. Ultra-Stable Video Mode reduces shakes for smoother video recordings. Battery life is a key highlight of the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus, and it's nothing short of impressive. With a massive 7,320 mAh battery, this phone can easily last over 2 days on a single charge, even with heavy usage. For those who are always on the go, fast charging support ensures you can quickly top up the battery. Vivo's 80W fast charging can take the device from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected throughout the day. The Vivo Y300 Pro Plus is future-proofed with 5G connectivity, allowing for super-fast downloads, seamless video streaming, and lag-free gaming. Whether you're browsing social media, making video calls, or playing online multiplayer games, 5G ensures a smooth and uninterrupted experience. On the software side, it runs on Origin OS 4, based on Android 15. Vivo has made several optimizations, ensuring a clean, fast, and intuitive user experience. There are minimal bloatware apps, and the interface remains fluid and user-friendly. The Vivo Y300 Pro Plus is an excellent choice for those looking for a feature-packed mid-range smartphone. With its large AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, long-lasting 7,320 mAh battery, and impressive camera setup, it ticks all the right boxes. While it may not compete with flagship devices, it delivers fantastic value for money, especially for users who prioritize battery life, display quality, and overall reliability. So, is the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus the best mid-range phone of the year? It certainly has all the right features to make it a strong contender. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth smartphone reviews and the latest tech updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content.